Hi, I'm Cindy from Grand River Cellars Winery, and today is our second part of our cooking series with ice wine. The featured recipe today is an ice wine soaked apricot crostini with burrata cheese. So first, you want to cook off your toast points, which is basically taking a thin slice of ciabatta bread and toasting it in the oven for about 5 minutes. It makes a nice, crisp, toasty piece of bread. We can place that on our plate. Then you take your burrata cheese, which is a very mild, soft cheese, and you slice it. Some people may like more burrata, some people might like less. I am a more burrata kind of girl. And lay those pieces of cheese right on your crostini. Whoop. Then you take your apricots that have been soaking, well, let's just say I like to have them soak for at least 24 hours. So these are full of ice wine right now, Vidal Blanc Ice Wine. And then you top it off with our 12-year white balsamic vinaigrette and just a little bit of drizzle on top. And this white balsamic vinaigrette is available for sale in our gift shop. And then you have the finished product. It's very easy to make, which is why it's one of my favorite recipes. And people absolutely love it. It does a great job of highlighting the flavors of the ice wine. So, hope to see you soon, the first 3 Saturdays of March, our 2019 Ice Wine Festival. Cheers!